Iron Mountain Refrigeration and Equipment offers free freight shipping on all orders, and we ship from our Southeast Wisconsin warehouse either the same or following business day. When your order ships, you will receive an email that includes your tracking number for the freight carrier that will be delivering your item. As a reminder, your delivery will be curbside. All shipments include a delivery appointment so you can be prepared to move your item inside when it arrives. It is your responsibility to inspect the outside packaging for any damage. If damage occurred, this information must be documented on the delivery receipt. By signing the delivery receipt, you are stating the unit arrived with absolutely no damage to the outside packaging. If you discover damage after unpacking, please contact us right away, as the freight carrier requires notification within 3 days of delivery. We recommend you unpack the unit outside and remove the pallet. Once the pallet is removed, most units will be on casters and may be easily rolled inside. Thank you again for your purchase from Iron Mountain.